Hey everybody, this is the DIY Magician, and I will not be posting a normal video tonight. Tonight's going to be a glorified announcements night because the AC went out, and I've got to use the one that's upstairs in the kids' play area. So the rest of the house is about 85 to 90 degrees, and that's the only place we're going to be. So it's going to be like a little camp out, my son said. So anyways, we're going to be getting ready for the Cadabra Lecture in August. That's the 22nd through the 25th. We're going to have lots of spring snake items and this and that. It's going to be lots of fun. Also, coming up soon, the Puppet Theater will be built, and I'll be giving you kind of updates on that as well. And let's not forget all the fun we do with taking stuffed animals and mechanical or electronic toys and turning them into puppets. So we're going to do all that very soon, but tonight is just kind of one of those nights I'm going to have to pass on anything other than that, just a glorified announcement night. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.